Hello friends, welcome back. Bhagyashree here with domendresa.com, and in today's video we will show you how to install PHP extension via cPanel. So let's see. Firstly, you need to log into your cPanel account. Here I have already logged in. Now go to software section and click on select PHP version icon. Here you can see our current PHP version is native 5.6. From this drop down list, you might have to choose 5.6 version depend on your project requirement. Now to install PHP extension, firstly set your current version. Here click on set as current. Now to install PHP extension, here scroll down. From here you can choose any desired PHP extension. For demonstration purpose, I am going to install HTTP PHP extension, MySQL PHP extension and Zip PHP extension. After selecting extension, here click on save button. Here you can see the message module set saved. So this is all about how to install PHP extension via cPanel. If you like this video, then click on like button below and leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.
Press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update.